Hello, hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you AuraTrack vehicle tracking solution. So this is an app which you can see in this phone desktop where you can track and monitor your vehicles. So I'm tapping that app. So it will open like this, and you can enter your desired username and password, which is already registered with AuraTrack. So we can go for a demo username which is already created, and I have entered the username and password. It is already remembered here. So I'm going to sign in. So this is powered by Aura Free Zone Company, Ajman UAE. So this is a dashboard. We can see 15 objects are there. Objects means vehicles or uh, any other assets are associated with this demo username. So you can see how many vehicles are running here, how many vehicles are idle. Idle means it is already start mode but it is not moving. So how many are stop mode, how many are inactive mode. So we can see here model wise devices, how many models of devices are there. So in AuraTrack we can attach any models of devices. We have around 250 different models of devices we can attach. So you can see 40 devices, 140 device. That is why here it is one inactive showing. You can see. So whenever we are clicking on that any object or any group, it will show you that group. So this is the dashboard which will we can see whenever we are login to our username and password. So the next tab is tracking. So you can see all the vehicles live location here in this tracking page. So when we are zooming in or zooming out, we can see all the vehicles which are interconnected with this username and password. We can see it's all UAE. You can see 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1. So you can see wherever in India is it is there, in Kerala, in Delhi, in UAE, all these vehicles are there. So we can try selecting one running vehicle. We can see in Dubai the running vehicle is Hayas. So it is near Iranian Hospital, Dubai. So it is running since 3 minutes. Speed is 44. Now it is 41. You can see the vehicle is moving now. You can see the vehicle is driving at a speed of 41 kilometer. So it is crossing that Iranian hospital. So the GPS is already attached, power is attached, ignition is on, and AC is also on. We can connect a wire to AC so that we can detect if the AC is on also. The total odometer is 145,537. So it will increase while going. So the running distance of today is 90 kilometer, and the maximum kilometer speed was 122 kilometer per hour today. Average is 49. So all the details we will get in this app tracking page. So we can just go for today's route. So this is today's route. We can see how this vehicle drove today. If you want to see it running mode, so it will show you how this vehicle was drove today. So you can see that vehicle running also. So this time this vehicle was in idle mode. So it is showing till what time it is in idle mode. Idle mode means it's near National Paint, Sharjah. So it was on idle mode at 9:15, 9:16 a.m. for I think for more than half an hour it was on idle mode. So that we can see over here. So we can see if the vehicle was driving all the routes we can see. So from Sharjah it came to Dubai, it crosses that Al Barsha, and see it is driving as of now. The time is 9:46. So you can see same like how the vehicles was drove today. Okay, the red color, it is showing that the per meter speed, maybe it is 60 kilometer we already adjust, so it is going more than that speed. That is why it is showing red color. Okay, so now here there are more details to show. You can see all the vehicles which are connected with this in this demo account. You can see all the vehicles in green are running, and the speed is also showing. So all these yellow are already in idle mode, and all the vehicles which are in red is in stop mode. So only one vehicle is in inactive mode, it is in Oman, so it is in inactive mode. So you can see here, next tab is for reports. You can see so many reports over here: travel, trip, stoppage, idle, object alert. All these so many types of reports are there. We can just